Okay, today we're going to talk about singular and plural nouns. Let's get started. Singular noun talks about one person, place, or thing, like cat. So there's only one cat. Next, plural noun. Plural noun talks about more than one person, place, or thing. Okay, person, place, or thing. Example, cats. Wow, so many cats. You just add an S. Now, but some plural nouns that end with S, X, Z, CH, or SH, you don't just add an S, you add an ES. So for example, bus changes to buses, add an ES. Fox, so ends with X, right? You add ES. Foxes. Watch, ends with CH over here. You add ES. Watches, and same with dish. Dishes, SH over here. Okay, let's look at these nouns here. Let's start with this one. Dogs, so it has an S here. That's a plural noun. So look for the ones that end with S. And then we have dish. There's no S. And it should end with ES, like this one. See? Dishes. And then dog here is singular. And let's move this one over here. Dishes. Boxes. And box. So, change these singular nouns to plural nouns. So remember, if it doesn't end with X or S, SH, or CH, you just add an S, like this. And fox ends with an X. So what do? You add ES, foxes. Let's do another one. So bus ends with an S, so you add, that's correct, ES, buses. And watch. Watch ends with CH, so you add ES. Excellent. All right. You did great. And if you want to learn more and get better at grammar, join our online class. The link is down below. I'll see you in class. Bye-bye.